So the first thing we do is launch a browser, and let's go and take a look at your new site. So type in the name of your site. So mine was Nathan Sloan's website was what we're using for this example. So this is what your website looks like from the outside. So let me just show you some key points. So this is the title of your site at the top. That was your description over here. This is known as your header. This is the navigation. So this is where your pages are. You've got a home page, about page. This is where you'll be putting things like video pages, contact pages, recommended reading, anything else here. This is where your content is going to go on the front, this little box. This is known as the sidebar, and we'll be designing the sidebar in the next video. And this is known as the footer. And again, we'll be doing that in the last video. So don't worry if this video I go a bit fast. I've just got a lot of things to cover, so I'm going to make it quite punchy. But just remember, you can watch this back as many times as you want. So the next thing we're going to do is open a new tab, and this time we're going to type in the name of our site, and this time we're going to put /wp-admin. And this is where you put your username and password, which is what you did in your control panel, so you can remember me. And this is what your website looks like from the inside. So this is known as the dashboard. So let's just clear this up first. So if we go to screen options over here, this is what I normally do, is just that I untick all of these and I just clean up this dashboard. The only thing that I like to leave is this, which is our posts, our pages, category and tags. So we can close this, and it just makes it look a lot neater. So let me show you what we have here. This is what you're going to be getting familiar with down the side. These are all the different bits and pieces. So we've got the dashboard at the top. We'll close. So posts. So if we were to put a blog on our site, this is how we'll be using posts, but we're not going to be using these in this video. Media. This is where you'll be adding your pictures. So when you need to add a picture, you just go to add new, and the library is where all the pictures you've added so far. Okay, next is links. Actually, while we're at posts, let's just go to posts and we'll take out Hello World, because that was the one that came with it, so let's just trash that. Links. Okay, these are all the links that are linking to different places. So again, we'll strip these out. So bulk actions, highlight them all and delete them all. Okay, pages. This is one that we're going to be using quite a lot. So this is how to add new pages. This is where we'll be adding new, like doing our home page, our about page, contact page. Comments, won't worry about that too much. Appearance. Okay, so this is where we'll be going next. This is where you find your themes, so how your website looks. Widgets is to do with your sidebar. Menus we won't worry about. Background, header and editor we won't need to worry about. Plugins. This is where we'll be adding some more plugins in the next video. So it's all like the bells and whistles basically. So I'll show you that in the next video. Users, we don't need to worry about. Tools is more advanced stuff, which we don't need to worry about. And the last thing is settings. So first thing I like to do is go to General, and you can see this is your website URL. So I just like to add here http://www. This just changes www. your site, and I save changes. And what I'll be doing is on one tab I've got the outside of the site, and on one tab I've got the inside. So I'll show you the different things we're doing. Okay, so it just wants our username and password again, so to make sure that it does. So we'll just put them in again. And if we go back to our site and press refresh, we've now got a www. And also we've taken out this post here, which will be adding a new one in a minute. Writing is to do with everything of how our website is put down, and reading is how people view our website. So we'll come to that in a minute. Discussion, we don't need to worry about, or nor media. Privacy. Okay, so we want to set this to, I would like this to be seen by everyone, so the search engines can pick up your new site. So this is just optional, it's up to you. The save changes. And permalinks is to do with how your URL is structured, so I won't worry about that too much. So that is the basic run through of your site. So we normally start on the dashboard. So what we're going to be doing is designing our home page, so the front page of our site. So what we'll do is go to Pages and Add New. And this is something else that you're going to need to know as well. So this is where we'll put our page title. So let's just call it Home. And if you've ever used Word, it's very similar to Word, how you use this. So you can see here we've got, if we're just going to type in test, this is where you'll be putting all your text. And you can see if I highlight it, you've got your bold to make it bold, you've got italic to make it italic, you've got strike through, we can make it into bullet points, we can make it into numbers, you can put it in the middle, or to the right, or to the left. You can hyperlink it, so we could link this to anywhere else on the internet. All you do is show where you'd like this to link to and press insert. That's how you break a link. You've got spell check. This thing on the end, hide kitchen sink. If it's set like this, you want to open it up because it just shows you all the options. This is how you make it bigger or smaller. You can underline it, or you can change the colours. We've got all the different colours here if you want to make it like red. Don't need to worry about these, and you can press back if you go wrong, you can just click back. Okay, normal custom fields, we're going to close this down, never really use it. So if we preview, we can preview what we've done so far, and you can see we've got our, it's called home, test is what we've got, and that's it. And by default, all pages come with this. This is how people can leave a reply. So if we go back, this is called discussion, and we can take off comments and close that, and close author. And when we go over here, we've got three things. We've got, you can save your draft, you can preview it, or you can publish it, which sends it to the web. So what we're going to do is just preview it again, and you can see what we did was take off that little box. So all we've got is our test. Okay, so let me show you how to add text, video, and pictures. So text, you know about. Let's do that first. So let me just grab some sample text. I'll just grab this, copy, and we'll paste it in. So all you do is write out your text here. And you can see, once you've written what you want to write, you just press preview. And you can see that is how you add text. So very simple, and you know how to bold it and underline it and make it different colours. Let me show you how to add a picture. So next to upload and insert, you've got a box here, and that's how you add an image. So if we click add an image, and let's just click browser uploader because it's easier, and then you get your browser to pick the picture. So I want to pick, so you find the file on your computer, let's just take a picture, and we upload. Now you can give your picture a name, so let me just put my name, Nathan Sloan. I'll also put that as the alt text and the description. You can put a little caption under the picture if you wish. You can also add a link, so if people were to click on this picture, you can send them anywhere you want on the internet by putting a link in there. And we have the choice of making it left of text, center, or right, which I'll show you in a minute. And you can also make it a small picture, a medium picture, large, or full size. And all you do is click Insert into Post. And that puts our picture in. And that's how you add an image. So if we click Preview, and you can see, that is how you add images. So if you wanted to do images and text, let's just grab the text again. So I'll just copy this and let's put the text in. And what I'm going to do, if you click on the picture, you can edit it or delete it. So let's go to edit, and we want to make it left of the text. So remember, left, center, or right. We'll update, and then if we preview and visit, you can see we've got our picture, and then you've got text on the right hand side. So if you want to do videos and text, that's how you do that. And the last one is adding videos. So if we delete all this and delete this, all we do is pop across to YouTube, and we can grab any video we want. So if you've got your own videos or someone else's, just for the example, I'll just take this cooking video.
Now, brace yourself.
So
4 months ago,
let's just pause that, and all you do is you grab the link at the top, copy, and pop across to your site, and you just paste it in. And when we click preview, you can see we've got a video. So it's super simple. It's literally just copy and paste, and that's how you can get a video on your homepage. 4
months ago, Mr. Gino D'Acampo stated, if we won an...
So all we need to do now is click publish. So this is going to send it to the web whenever we're ready. I just like to close revisions and comments. So we now have this page. The last thing we need to do for this is go to settings and reading. And we're just going to make the front page displays. We would like the front page to be our home page. If we save changes and we reset the site, it's given us our home page as our video or whatever we want. Okay, so next on this video and last is how to change the look of your site. So this is where it gets good. So if we go to appearance and themes, and we go to install themes. Now we can search for themes by colours, so you have all the colours, or columns, and we can also go for width and features, but for now let's just click search, and this is all the themes that we get to choose from. So you can see these are all the different ways our site can look. So just on this page here we've got about 20 different ways, and there's 55 pages of themes, free themes that you can use. So just for an example, I'll take the first one, which is Adventure Journal. So if you like the look of this site, we can preview it first and think, is this what we want? It looks quite good, so let's close it. And all we do, if we want it, we click on install and install now and activate. And when we go to our website and click refresh, you can see we've got a completely new look. So now we've got our banner here, we've got the name of our site, we've got the pages up here, and there's our front page video. Right now I would like you to type in Snowblind and search. And what we're going to do is install this theme. So we'll click install, install now, and activate. So we're going to be working from this theme, just so we're working from the same theme. So you can see we've got the site and the subheadline. Your pages are going to be going here. We've got no sidebar. Well, the sidebar is on the left hand side. We're going to change this now. And you can see the footer. We've got a lot of links down here, which we're going to change. So you'll notice now that we have this extra option on the left hand side called Snowblind, and this is any theme you choose is going to have its own individual settings. So okay, so let's just go to sidebars and sidebar location, and we're just going to change it from the left sidebar, we're going to put it on the right hand side. And any changes we make, we just click Save It here. And when we visit our site, we're just putting this sidebar here over to the other side. And I'll show you how to design the sidebar and the footer in the next video. So that is how you change the complete look of your site. That's how you add text, video and pictures. Next we'll be adding videos, adding more pages, doing the sidebar. So your action steps are, I would like you to watch this video back a few times and change the theme of your website a number of times just so you get used to it and give it lots of different looks. And also practice designing your homepage. So have a go at adding text and changing the text, have a go at adding pictures, and have a go at adding videos, and then decide on your homepage. And then change it to Snowblind so we can finish off with the last video, just so we're working from the same page. Okay, I'll see you in the last video.